Okay, so right now we're investigating a hit and run, okay? So I just want to speak to you outside of your vehicle so you can explain to me what you remember or whatever happened, and then we can go from there. Well, you're not free to leave, so...
Third, what are you searching for?
I'm not searching, I am investigating.
Okay.
There's a difference. You're not going to close the door unless you're just going to go in cuffs, okay? I'm giving you a verbal command to provide me with
your... warrant?
I don't need a warrant to speak to you. Look at me.
Look at me for what?
Do you want to go to jail?
For what?
For a hit and run. You crashed into someone's car and didn't stop. Okay?
You f***ing crazy.
On the 10th of February, 2026, in Monroe County, a body-worn camera recorded a hit-and-run investigation. The driver's first words to the officer were, quote, "Do you have a warrant?" That single misconception would cost her 4 separate criminal charges before the night was over. This case is a masterclass in how refusing to understand your rights is worse than not knowing them.
How you doing?
Hello?
Yes, Officer Osmond with the Key West Police Department.
Okay.
You doing all right?
Yeah.
You have an ID on you?
Yes.
All right, is this your vehicle?
Yes.
Registered to you?
Yes.
Okay.
Why are you here?
Okay, just step out the vehicle for me, okay, so we can speak.
Why would I speak to you right now?
Okay, so right now we're investigating a hit and run, okay? So I just want to speak to you outside of your vehicle so you can explain to me what you remember or whatever happened, and then we can go from there. It doesn't have to be a hit and run, it could be a traffic crash if you're wanting to exchange information. So if you don't mind providing me with your license, registration, and insurance.
First of all, I have nothing to speak to you.
Okay.
Second of all, I'm not running of anything.
Okay, well, you're not free to leave, so...
Third, what are you searching for?
I'm not searching, I am investigating.
Okay.
There's a difference. You're not going to close the door unless you're just going to go in cuffs, okay? I'm giving you a verbal command to provide me with
Do you have a warrant?
I don't need a warrant to speak to you. I'm investigating a
Investigating
traffic
what?
crash, more so a hit and run.
Of
Which
what?
she said she had damage at. In the back of her vehicle.
Hit and run with what?
Check the front first.
Her front right headlight is completely shattered, and she never saw her leave this vehicle.
I'm going to explain this to you one more time. You are not free to leave. I need your license.
Okay, let me close your mic.
Okay, close it. If you walk away, you're going in cuffs, okay? It's going to be that simple.
Okay, I haven't not done
No,
it.
you're not going anywhere, okay? Listen, don't leave anywhere. Listen, look at me. Look at me.
Look at me for what?
Do you want to go to jail?
For what?
For a hit and run.
Hit
You
and
crashed
run
into
of
someone's
what?
car and didn't stop. Okay?
You
All right.
f***ing crazy.
That's fine. We can handle it. It was that easy. All you had to do was give me your stuff, all right?
You taking her or am I taking her?
I don't care. It don't matter.
Okay.
I live like in this.
I know, that's fine. The thing about it is you're sitting here laughing, okay? I'm usually not like this. I'm simply trying to investigate this and just turn it into a traffic crash. But you don't want to give me your information. All I needed was your license.
What information? You didn't even ask?
I did. I said license, registration,
But
and
you
insurance.
didn't give me a chance?
I gave you a chance, but you
When?
wanted to pull your
Give you
phone
multiple
out.
chances, man.
And I warned you, and then you tried to close your door on me, and I sat there politely and requested these documents. It could have been that simple. So are you willing to give me those documents?
I have everything in my car.
So if I take these handcuffs off you, are you going to give me the documents?
Sure.
Because if not, I'm just going to
But
plain
I'm
take you
not
to jail.
criminal, but you just
Yeah,
did.
but the
So-
thing is, since I'm giving you commands and you're refusing to obey my commands
Out
as a
of
law
nowhere,
enforcement officer. Okay, like I told you, I'm investigating a traffic crash, okay? So if I remove the cuffs, are you going to give me your
You do whatever
your
you need to
documents?
do. The car is there.
Okay.
And my house is right there, next behind me. You do whatever.
Okay, so I'm going to take the cuffs off you,
Sure.
and then I'm going to need you just to give
You
me the
do
information.
whatever you need to do.
And then we go from there, all right?
Sure. You
Okay.
do whatever you need to do. This is very, very random.
It's not random.
It is random.
We're not here for no reason.
I'm not here for a reason as well.
So I simply was
I'm
asking
not here
you
for a reason,
for your
sir.
license, registration, explain
You
to
do whatever you
why
need to
I am
do.
here.
You didn't
Okay.
explain me to go.
So,
you
okay,
didn't
listen.
explain me to. You just randomly came at me
Okay.
to get whatever you need
Go
to
ahead
do.
and give me your license, registration, and insurance, please.
No.
Was she moving or she parked?
She said she was on the boulevard and the lady crashed into her.
Oh, this happened on the boulevard.
I think she probably hit something like here, or even that maybe, because did you see the damage on the Mercedes?
So
It's the right front,
her headlights busted out.
completely busted. So it makes sense that if she hit
There's
something
still
like,
glass on it.
if she would have went straight, she would have hit this before any of that. So I think maybe she hit this part with that front.
Hi, do you know where she hit you at?
I do not, because there was a bicycle in the one lane, and I stopped quickly, and all of a sudden I felt the And I do have the trailer hitch back there. So I pulled in at the, I believe it's the Verizon there in Key Plaza, and she kept on going. So I pulled back out, and I was a couple cars behind her, but I saw her turn, so I followed. And then back here ways, there's a black trailer, and she pulled kind of like this. So I pulled up next to her, rolled down my window and beat my horn, and then she tried to move a little bit forward, and you could hear it crunching. So, and then I was on 911.
You hear what crunching?
Her front of her vehicle against the trailer that's parked back there.
So she hit a trailer too?
Yes. She tried to move
Hey,
forward.
so she says she saw her hit a trailer because she doesn't see any damage on her truck, but she said she saw her hit a trailer, so I'm going to go walk over there with her. Okay, yep, here's some glass over here.
She's just kind of ridiculous. The reason I stopped quick on the boulevard was a bike, and she just kept
The bike
on
came
going.
out in front of you?
No, they had this single lane, and I guess there was something in the road in front of it, and it stopped real quick, so I had to stop quick, but she had not stopped quick enough. That's scary.
Your whole right headlight is cracked. So I think that she just rear-ended her.
I never touched anybody.
Okay, ma'am. That's what we're here to figure out, all right?
Who did I damage to?
Somebody called saying that you...
That's very personal. You
Personal?
know? I don't know. Can you tell me?
I don't know. I didn't say it. You said it was personal, so I'm trying to
But
understand where you're coming
sounds like
from.
a personal. If there's like a 3 vehicles of like a police, it has to be a personal thing.
Like
I live like right here.
like personal against you?
I don't know.
You think like... So you're saying like we're coming for you? I don't see how that could be.
Nothing to do with nobody.
Right, but
I'm
again...
new in this neighborhood.
Okay, I can
So
tell.
what did I do to somebody if I'm
So
new?
what we're investigating is a hit and run. A hit and run means you...
Okay.
Can I
go check my
can I
car?
explain to you, please?
Sure.
What's your name, Yovana, right?
Yes.
Can I explain it to you without you interrupting me?
Sure.
Okay, so a hit and run is, in simple words, when you collide into something or another vehicle and you leave without providing information.
You have
Okay.
a body
Yep, that's why it's blinking.
camera.
That's why it's blinking red.
Sir, Mr. Osborne, you
Yes.
have a camera there.
Okay.
So you know who the run is.
I do.
Another running person.
You are.
So you have your bunny, you have it in camera.
Okay.
So you investigate your camera, who the running person.
I don't investigate my camera.
Is-
I investigate what
I
information
know my
is provided
rules
to
and
me.
my laws in this U.S.
You know your
Hey.
rules and your laws? I think this isn't a rule or law thing. This is a traffic crash. So right now we are investigating that due to the fact that someone isn't just going to call and say that their vehicle got struck and give your license plate and the description of your vehicle. You know,
You
I
do
don't
whatever
think
you need to do.
I will.
I will do whatever it needs to take to defend myself. And you have a camera there.
For sure.
I
That's
know
that's
that.
why it's blinking red.
You
We're
do
required
your
to have
thing,
it on.
I'll do my thing.
Yes, ma'am.
So what's next?
What's next is just we're doing a traffic crash right now, as I've explained, and then the other officer will come speak to you, get your side of the story, while they speak to the other person in their side of the story, and then we go from there.
Will
Okay?
I get my license back?
Yeah, he's just putting it into the call and everything.
This vehicle, she may have bumped her, but no damage here. But she didn't know that at the time, so she just followed her. But then as she was following her, when she saw her hit the trailer. Yeah. But he's asking if that's your name. Is that correct?
Is that who you're looking for?
What, is that you?
It could be somebody else that you're looking for. Is that who?
Well, I don't know. We're looking at your ID.
Okay,
And it
you
says
could- you
Giovanna,
could- I
so-
live right here, so
Okay, just stay right here. Stay right here. Stay right here. Come here. Come here. Stay over here, please.
don't touch me.
Stay over here, please.
Don't touch me.
Stay over here, please.
Do not.
Stay over here, please. Stay over here.
Why
Just
are
stay
you-
right here.
Why
Because
you're-
I'm telling you to stay here.
But why
okay?
are you pushing me?
Because
I
you're
wanna
not
close
listening.
my door.
Okay.
Why
I'm telling
are
you to stay
pushing
here.
me? You're a fucking man of your words. Go f yourself. You belong over there.
Aren't you a treat?
I just wanted to close my door.
Okay, so you could have said that. But I told you to stay
But
here.
if a man of the law,
Okay, I'm just
this is how he looks.
a lot of time on my hands. You know that.
There was a crash, so
Hi, Daddy. They're accusing me of a call.
ma'am, can you hang up the phone, please? We're still investigating this, okay?
Can you just step out? Because I know you're sleeping.
No, don't have anybody step out. I need you to hang up the phone and I need you to put the phone on the car. Refusal to do so will give you another charge, okay? Okay, we're gonna put your phone over here. Ma'am, put your phone on the car. You can't be calling people while we're doing this. I gave you a lawful command. Do you understand?
I need to call my daddy.
You don't need to call your dad. Okay? You're an adult and we're dealing with you.
I don't
This is
care.
for a crash.
He's a lawyer.
This is for a crash,
No,
okay?
he's not. I didn't crush anybody.
Ma'am, the front of your vehicle
Okay, let me get
is
my purse. Hold on.
broken. Your front light is broken, and somebody else saw you drive it. You were definitely in a crash. Somebody saw you
What
crash
the
into a trailer.
Fuck?
So here's your crash report. I need to grab your phone number and your email
I
address.
didn't crush this. When did I even crush? Nope.
What's a good phone number for you?
Wow.
Ma'am, what's your phone number?
Hold on, hold on.
No, you're done going in and out
I
of your
know.
car. What's your
I
phone
know,
number?
but I
Give
need
me
to-
your phone number right now. I'm not playing around. Give me your phone number.
Okay, I need to call
Come
my
back
dad.
here.
I need to call my dad.
No, you do not.
Just
You're gonna
relax.
come over here. You're gonna sit here.
Give this officer your phone number.
You're
Put
gonna
your
stop
phone down.
calling people on your phone.
I know, but
done
my
with
dad
that.
is this.
Okay.
this
I don't care.
house.
Your
So
dad
just
is.
give him your phone
Give me your
number,
phone
I
number.
know.
Do you, stop with the phone.
I know,
Stop.
but
What is your
like,
phone
Stop.
number?
I don't know. I need my dad.
You
has
don't know
no
your
my
phone
number.
You don't know
number.
your phone number?
No, my dad has no my number.
Okay, so you can pull up your phone.
Yes.
You can pull up your
But
phone
let
number
me-
on your phone. Don't
Yes,
call your
but
dad.
I have to
Okay,
call him
no.
because I doesn't know my.
That you will look it up on the. Don't
I
don't
need
pull
to-
my thumb. Don't pull my thumb. Okay, stay right here. You can look it up in your phone
Okay, but I
under
need
my
to call
settings.
him.
You don't need to
Like
call
he-
anybody.
He's
No.
like right here. This is my house,
Okay, well we're not calling.
and
him
I
right now.
park here all the time.
Okay, so you don't know your phone number, is what you're saying. Is that correct?
I can also just get it later. It's fine.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
Okay, I'll get it later. No big deal.
Okay, so do you understand everything this officer said about the
No,
crash?
I never was in a crash,
Okay,
and you're
so-
accusing me of something that wasn't.
So you were,
like,
okay, so listen to me.
And I knew
Listen
my
to
dad
me.
lives right
Listen to
here.
me.
He's like
Listen to me.
sleeping right
Okay,
now.
So listen
and
to
like,
me. I need you to relax and I need you to just listen.
no, I
please.
don't need to
Okay.
relax. You're accusing
Okay.
me of something that I never
Okay,
done.
so listen.
And you're following me with like with 3 police cars that I never
Okay,
done.
so listen. Officer Florence, the one
I
you
don't
just
give a
spoke to.
who the f
Okay,
is.
so again, listen. He explained to you the crash scenario. So now his crash investigation is over.
Okay, and
Okay,
what does that
so
have to do
now-
with me?
Now we're going to start a different investigation. Okay.
Oh, so this is your whole plan of the entire time?
So I'm going to read you something. Okay. Don't
Oh,
reach
I
out
thought
at
that
me.
was for me. I
No,
don't
that's
know.
okay. If it's for you, I will tell you. This is for you. Stay over here. Stay over here.
Yeah.
Stay over here.
Don't you listen to simple instructions?
Just stay here.
Okay,
please.
I'll stay here. I
Okay.
don't want it.
So right here. Just stay right there.
I'll stay here.
Just
Why
stay right
you have
there.
to
Just stay right
You're
there.
a man.
Because you're not listening. So I'm going to be starting a different investigation. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand these rights I've explained to you?
No, I have a lawyer that needs to talk to you.
Okay, so do you understand these rights I've explained to you?
I have a lawyer.
Okay, so that's not the question. The question is if you understand your rights that I've
No, my
explained to
lawyer
you.
will talk to you.
I'm going to assume that you do understand and you know you want to talk to a lawyer, so you don't want to talk to us right now.
My lawyer will talk to you.
So
Can
you
I
don't
have
want to
your
answer
card?
any questions?
Can I have this card?
No, you can't have
Do you
that
even
card.
know this law by heart?
So listen.
No. Can I have your card then?
No, you can't. Okay.
No. Then.
So you don't want to answer any of my questions or talk to
Can
me?
I go
Is
to
that
sleep
correct?
now?
No, you're not free to go. So you don't want to answer any of my questions or talk to me?
No. Maybe tomorrow when I speak to my lawyer, he'll speak
Okay.
to you.
What do you have in your hand there? All right, turn around. Put your hands behind your back. You're being placed under arrest for hit and run DUI.
You just watched 12 minutes of tension. Now, the 6 Supreme Court cases that governed every second. First, the warrant question. Under Terry v. Ohio, 1968, no warrant is required for investigative detention. Reasonable suspicion is the standard. Here, a citizen witness reported the plate, the vehicle, and the direction of travel. That specificity, paired with a shattered right front headlight, satisfied the totality standard from Illinois v. Gates, 1983. The officer never needed a warrant. He had probable cause before he ever approached the window. Second, the order to step out of the vehicle. This is settled law under Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 1977. The Supreme Court held that once a driver is lawfully stopped, an officer may order the driver out. No additional justification required. Maryland v. Wilson, 1997, extended the same rule to passengers. Third, the door closing moment. Attempting to close a vehicle door on an officer during an active detention is obstruction. Handcuffing at that point does not convert investigative detention into a formal arrest, per Mueller versus Mina, 2005. It is a lawful, tactically justified control measure, nothing more, nothing less. Fourth, the Miranda advisement. The officer delivered it verbatim, at the correct procedural moment. But Miranda's only half the story. Under Edwards versus Arizona, 1981, once counsel is invoked, interrogation must stop. Here is the critical nuance. Invocation is a shield, not a sword. It protects the suspect only if the suspect actually stops talking after invoking counsel. Volunteered statements made after invocation remain fully admissible in court. The subject continued to speak, undoing much of Miranda's protection in real time. The arrest is done, but the harder legal questions are just beginning.
These keys and this wallet is going to go with you to the jail, okay? Do you want anything else to go with you to the jail out of your car?
What else do you need?
I'm asking you if you
No,
want
I
anything
don't
else
know.
out
What
of
else
your
do you
vehicle.
need for me to go to the jail that makes you money?
Nothing's going to make me money. Do you want your purse out of your car to go with you to the
What
jail?
purse?
I
My
don't
purse
know.
is with you that has my driver's
Okay, so this is
license,
your
my
purse.
ID.
So-
What
so,
else do you want? Well, how much more money do you need?
I'm understanding that you don't want anything else out of your car.
What the
Okay.
do you need from
Come
me?
on. So judging by your form-fitting dress, it doesn't look like you have anything on you, so please, have a seat.
Oh, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
So
Have a seat.
romantic. I don't know how to have a seat. You have to
Okay.
carry me there, I guess.
So you lift your left leg and put it over there on the floorboard. Go ahead,
Please
push
carry
up.
me, sir.
Do you need me to help you?
Oh, sir, I guess.
There you go.
You have to like roll on me. Give me my fucking phone right now. I
not
need to
gonna
call
give you
my
your phone.
lawyer right now and my dad. My
Well,
dad
that's not
needs to know
happening.
what the is going on right now.
that's
And you're
not
not bringing me in for another one thing that you need to
So listen.
clock in for.
So listen. You see this
No.
line right here and these
I don't
spots?
give a fuck what the fuck
So
is.
that is
I
to
need
do
call my
field sobriety
dad
exercises.
right
okay?
now.
I'm giving you the opportunity to perform these field sobriety exercises to dispel my belief that you were driving that motor vehicle of yours under the influence of alcohol or drugs to the point that your faculties were impaired.
If you're accusing me of one of those, okay, let's do it.
You want to do it?
So
Okay.
I broke a light, I broke a law. Now you're accusing me of something else that I don't even know what.
So you want to do the field sobriety exercises? Is that correct? Did I understand that correctly? I want to make sure I understood it correctly.
Are you understand that correctly?
Okay. Do you want to perform the field sobriety exercises to
Do
dispel my
I,
belief?
do I want to?
I'm asking
Or you're
you.
ordering it to
No, I'm not
do it?
ordering it. It's a question.
Oh, really?
Yes. Do you want to participate in this field sobriety
Participate.
exercise?
You're making me participate on this
Okay.
thing?
So do you
Really?
want to
You're making me
participate in this field
participate?
sobriety exercises to
No,
dispel
I
my
need to call my
belief
dad. That's what I know.
that you are operating a motor vehicle
I feel
under
safe to
the
call my dad.
influence of
Can I
alcohol
call
or
my dad
drugs
first?
to the point where your faculties are impaired. If you
Impaired or parked
Impaired.
on my
So-
apartment.
So listen, if
Parked.
you don't,
Parked on my apartment.
I'm obligated to tell you that if you don't perform the field sobriety exercises, then that may be used against you in the court of law. Okay, stay seated, please.
No, I'm sitting.
Thank you. Okay, good. So
Oh,
again,
yeah,
do you
really.
want to participate in the field sobriety
Can
exercises?
you test all of that?
Okay, so I'm going to take your refusal to answer as a no, and you're just, talking over me. You're not letting me finish speaking. So
So there's no choice to my lawyer or my dad.
when we're done, yes,
No,
you're
before.
going to be afforded
No, I want to
opportunity
speak to my dad
to
before
go.
I die. That you have to tell me all the things that I have to do here. I would like to say goodbye at least to my dad.
Okay, like I said, when we're done, you're going to be afforded to call whoever you wish. Okay,
And
if
why,
that's your
when
dad,
we're done, why not now? To
because
say,
that's not how it works. Okay.
well, my dad is a cop, so he could tell me his laws and tell me what I should do now.
If your dad were here, he would understand. But your dad's not here. It's just you and I.
Exactly. So I want to call him now and tell me what I should be doing now, because apparently you're doing something the opposite. Something that I have not done. I'm here in cuffs, which is something incorrect. So I want to hear him again what his laws is.
So these are citations, and they're criminal citations. So you have to appear in court. These two are for The Nissan Frontier that you hit and the black
What
trailer
did I
that you
hit?
hit, a Nissan Frontier.
Can I have
A
all
truck.
the plates from the other person?
It's going to be on here, yeah, and it's going to be in the report and everything. Okay, so these are these two. One is this one's for a DUI, and then this one is for refusing to submit to the breath test. Okay, so
Why
listen.
do you have all these charges?
So listen, I need you to sign, and what you're signing is this.
No,
okay,
I'm not
listen,
signing
listen to
anything
me.
until I talk to my
Listen to me.
lawyer.
I need you to listen to me.
No,
Okay,
well-
signing is not an admission of guilt. It's not saying yes, I did it.
No, I'm not.
It's
I'm not signing
just. I
anything
need you
until
to
I
listen,
talk to my
please.
dad
Stop talking and
my
listen,
lawyer.
please.
Listen, this is a citation.
Listen. Okay.
You're doing too much.
This is not an admission of guilt. This is simply you saying, yes, I understand that the officer told me that on February 20th, 2026 at 9 a.m. I have to go to the Monroe County Clerk of Court's office to see Judge Wilson to answer for these charges. Then Judge Wilson is going to decide whether you are guilty or innocent.
Let me speak to my lawyer.
Okay,
first.
so you cannot speak to your lawyer right now. I know
Okay,
they,
tomorrow.
whenever
You
they
give
give
this
you.
to me
No,
tomorrow.
right now is when you either sign it or don't sign it. And you not signing it is another charge. It's a misdemeanor charge, okay, which is an unnecessary charge to have because all you have to do is sign them saying that you know you have to go to court. That's all this is. Do you want to sign these or not? That's going to be added charges. You understand this, correct?
No, I don't.
You don't understand? What part don't you understand?
All of them.
Okay, I explained
This
it
is
to you
why-
several times.
this
I
is-
think you're just
no,
being just
this is
difficult.
The consequences were laid out. Now, her final answer. Fifth, and most misunderstood, is implied consent. All 50 states operate under this statutory scheme. By driving on a public road, the operator consents in advance to chemical testing upon lawful arrest for impairment. Refusing that test does not make the case disappear. It is evidence of consciousness of guilt. It triggers an automatic administrative license suspension, typically 12 months for a first-time refusal. Birchfield versus North Dakota, 2016, clarified the framework. Warrantless breath testing after arrest is permissible. Blood testing, being more intrusive, generally requires a warrant absent exigent circumstances, per Missouri versus McNeely, 2013. Sixth, roadside field sobriety exercises. In most jurisdictions, these are voluntary, not mandatory. A driver may decline, but that refusal may be introduced at trial to argue the driver believed she would fail. Finally, signing the citation. This is the myth that carried the heaviest cost of the entire encounter. A signed citation is not an admission of guilt. It is a written promise to appear in court. It substitutes for physical custody until arraignment. Refusing to sign is, in most states, a separate misdemeanor.
Why I need to speak to my lawyer or my dad.
It's very simple.
It's very
All you're
simple.
signing is that you
Very
have to
simple.
go to court on February 20th.
Okay, I understand that, but I'm
Okay,
not signing that.
so
until
that's
then.
all you're signing.
Okay.
Okay, so if you don't sign, you're gonna get added charges.
But
Just
explain
talking in
to me
circles
where
again.
I hit somebody
Okay.
and I ran.
I'm gonna ask one more time,
checked it.
and unless I get yes, I'm gonna assume that you don't wanna sign them, and I'm gonna add more charges.
Sure,
okay.
go ahead, but I need.
Okay,
the
so
right
you're going to
know.
sign them?
I don't know yet. But
Okay, no,
can
we're
you
not gonna
tell
do
me-
this. We're not gonna, give me those
Please,
papers.
sir.
Give me those
Sir.
papers. Give them to me. Are you
Hold
gonna
on.
sign them, yes or no?
Hold on. Hold
Yes
on.
or no?
Maybe, I don't
No,
know.
not maybe, yes or no?
Hold on.
5, 4, I'm counting down to 1.
What
Once I
is
get to
this?
1, I'm gonna assume that you're not gonna sign them.
But
Because we've been
hold
standing
on,
here
I'm
for
just
5
asking
minutes.
questions, sir.
I've already answered all your questions and I explained to you several times thoroughly, okay? All you're signing is that you're gonna appear in court
Okay.
and respond for these
Okay.
charges. If you don't, it's
Understand.
going to be a crime.
Can you tell me?
Do you want to
where
sign or
I
not?
hit somebody?
Oh my gosh, okay. You have not indicated that you want to sign these. I'm taking that as you are refusing to sign, and I'm
I'm
going to add
asking
those
you a
charges.
question. Can you
We're not going to
answer a question,
litigate
sir?
that, no. We already talked about where it happened, where you were picked up at. You were there,
I
where
was
you got
in my
picked up.
house.
You were not inside your house. You were outside
I
in your
was
car. Okay,
in my
never
parking
mind.
lot
So
of
she's
my
clearly not wanting to sign these. Okay, so extra charges are going to be added. I'm about to walk out. Once I walk out, that's it.
Decide
Okay,
on what
that's done. We're done. End of interaction.
The scene ends. Now, the verdicts and the lessons. On to the grades. Officer Florence earns a B+. His legal execution was clean from first contact to close. He articulated authority, delivered Miranda verbatim, ceased substantive questioning after invocation, and never escalated above handcuffing. Minor tactical refinements and clearer on-camera identification keep this performance from reaching the A tier. The driver earns an F. Every legal off-ramp offered was rejected. The final charge sheet is almost entirely self-inflicted. She invoked counsel, then kept talking. She refused the breath test, adding a charge and losing her license administratively. She refused to sign, converting a release scenario into extended custody. She fought the process, not the evidence. 5 practical lessons emerge from this footage, and they apply to any driver in any American state. 1. If lawfully stopped, hand over license, registration, and insurance. These documents are not self-incriminating. 2. On substantive questions, invoke counsel clearly. Say, quote, "I want a lawyer," and then say nothing more. 3. Silence, once invoked, must be maintained. Continued speaking waives the protection you just claimed. 4. Refusing chemical testing is not a legal victory. It is admissible evidence, and it costs you your license. 5. Sign the citation. Signing is a promise to appear. Refusing is a fresh criminal charge. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.